Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this tutorial I'm going to show you my very first junk journal with embroidery cover that I made by myself, and I'm very glad and very happy to show you that this actually is my very first bird that I ever embroidered in my life. So at first I was a little bit scary because I've never done something like this, but I tried my best. So this is my junk journal. It's blank junk journal. It's very simple one. Let me just show you. There it is. This beautiful, gorgeous, I think it's Sparrow. Yes, I believe it's Sparrow. So as you can see, I'm going to zoom a little bit as you can see, there it is. I'm very proud of it. It was a little bit difficult to make it. And as I said, it's completely blank, so this page that you see here, this designer paper craft that I used is from my new kit, which I still didn't post in Etsy, but I'm going to make the covers and I'm going to put it there. It's called Fantastic Cats, but since this is Sparrow, it's bird, it's not a cat, I've decided to use only this one. There it is. And as I said, it's very simple because there are only pages for writing down, for making notes. So if you like this video, please subscribe and of course give a thumb up. I will appreciate it a lot. I wish you an amazing day. I know that this video was very fast. I hope you enjoy it. So bye bye, see you next time.